Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickBank USA Marketplace detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with ClickBank USA Marketplace, start by visiting the official ClickBank website. Locate the sign up button on the home page and click it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets ClickBank's requirements. Select the country you reside in from the drop-down menu. Enter your payment details, including the preferred method for receiving your commissions. Continue by providing your banking information. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Tick the box to agree to the terms if you find them acceptable. Click on the Join ClickBank button to proceed. An email confirmation will arrive in your inbox. Open the email and follow the link to confirm your account. Once confirmed, return to the ClickBank website and log in with your new credentials. You will be prompted to complete your profile. Provide any additional information requested, such as your address and tax information. Explore the ClickBank Marketplace to familiarize yourself with the available products. Set up your payment preferences in your account settings. You are now ready to start promoting ClickBank products and earning commissions. Make sure to read the ClickBank resources and guides to enhance your marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.